Session 36 of Industrial Relations and Labour Legislation of 6th semester BBA of Mangalore University. This is the last session of Unit 3. In this session we shall study the entire unit. We shall do the revision or a recap of the entire Unit 3 and let us see which are the important questions from the examination point of view. Here we had two parts, one is collective bargaining and another is workers' participation in management. In collective bargaining, that is between the workers and the management, they discuss together and then they negotiate and they arrive at consensus so that the management is also not at trouble or even the workers get their benefits. And also the work do not disrupt or there won't be any strikes or such abnormal activities. So in this collective bargaining we have studied meaning and definition, characteristics, objectives or significance or importance, process of collective bargaining, then types or forms of collective bargaining, functions of collective bargaining and essential conditions or prerequisites for the success of collective bargaining. The second part in this unit 3 was workers' participation in management. Here mainly we study three aspects. One is workers' participation in management, meaning, definition, objectives, forms of workers' participation in management, merits, demerits and essential conditions for successful working of workers' participation in management. This is one part. Next is quality circles, objectives and organization structure, benefits and limitations of quality circles. So quality circles is another part. And finally quality of work life. So major issues in quality of work life, measures or techniques for improving quality of work life, like this. So all details regarding quality of work life. Now let us see the questions from this unit which are asked for 2 marks under section A. What do you mean by quality of work life? What is quality circle? Define collective bargaining. Define quality of work life. What is co-partnership? What do you mean by autonomous work group? Under section B we have 8 mark questions. What are the objectives of workers' participation in management? Essential conditions for the successful collective bargaining, objectives of workers' participation in management, write a note on works committee. So they may ask you to write a note on any other joint council, unit council, shop council or any. What do you mean by quality circles? What are the benefits of quality circles? Briefly explain the advantages of workers' participation in management. Briefly explain the measures for improving the quality of work life. What are the characteristics of collective bargaining? So from collective bargaining, workers' participation in management, quality circles and quality work life. From all these topics, different questions are asked. And finally, we shall see section C, which is for 20 marks. Explain the advantages of workers' participation in management. Briefly explain the following forms of workers' participation in management. So they have asked you to explain quality circle and works committee. So you need to give details about this. Before that, you need to answer advantages of workers' participation in management. And one type is quality circle, another is works committee. Second question is, now as it is written here 2A, this question is just asked for 10 marks and another case study is asked maybe from this unit or from any other unit. So this question for 10 marks under section C, explain the important methods of workers' participation in management, suggest measures for making workers' participation in management effective. So 5 marks could be given, so 10 marks for this. Then define workers' participation in management. Briefly explain the important methods of workers' participation in management. This is for 20 marks. Then, briefly explain the advantages and disadvantages of workers' participation in management. Suggest measures for making workers' participation in management effective. Maybe suggest measures for making workers' participation in management effective. So this is for 20 marks. And then describe the collective bargaining process. That is the steps followed in collective bargaining. This is for 10 marks and a case will be asked for 10 marks. So here we can see that majority more points are given for the workers' participation in management, and collective bargaining we can see only one question here. Rest all is connected with the workers' participation in management. So these are the various questions asked during different years in the past. So you can refer Human Resource Management by Dr. Veena BK, which is specifically meant for the semester.